This video is for the SKYEMAC self-inflating camping pillow. I am less than a week away from taking off on my motorcycle for a 1-month tour, as I do every summer, and this is going to come in handy. So let's open it up, see what we have here. We have a strap around it, but I noticed that it's not connected to it. Kind of wish it was. That way it won't get lost, as could happen. As you can see at the moment, it doesn't want to self-inflate. As any self-inflatable raft, sleeping pad, etc., you can hear it slowly sucking in the air, and at some point it will get as inflated as it's going to do with its self-inflation. At that point, I need to put my lips on it. That was 2 pumps, not bad. You can see that it's nice and thick. That's probably at least 4 inches. And I think it was about 16 to 17 inches long. That's gonna come in handy, especially for me, because my wife and I both use 3 oversized pillows in our bed. Of course, I can't do that for camping, especially not on a motorcycle trip. So to wipe it out, deflate it, we just squeeze it down, roll it up, and close that valve. It's pretty much protected now from inflating once again. Put that band around it, and we're done.